Low cost robotic knee replacement in India. Robotic knee replacement has revolutionized the knee joint replacement surgery with much better treatment outcomes. CMCS Health is your global healthcare guardian that will assist you with your robotic knee replacement in India. To learn more about low cost robotic knee replacement in India, visit our website cmcshealth.com. Foreign patients choose India for robotic knee replacement over other medical tourism destinations because of the latest cutting edge technologies that are employed by the top orthopedic centers in India. Expert orthopedic surgeons who are especially trained in robotic knee replacement surgery. World class hospital infrastructures. Original imported knee processes are available in India. Exceptionally high success rates in robotic knee replacement and low cost for robotic knee replacement for the foreign patients. NEV3 computer navigation is the newer technique that is globally accepted and employed by the top joint replacement centers in the world. The accurate placement of the new artificial knee joint ensures the perfect functioning of the joint. The accurate placement of the new knee joint prevents any restriction in movement and gives the feel of a natural knee joint. The accurate positioning of the new artificial knee joint through NEV3 computer navigation also reduces the risk of early wearing out of the new artificial knee joint and provides longevity to the knee joint. CMCS Health will assist you for your robotic knee replacement in India. Mako Smart Robotic System allows the orthopedic and joint replacement surgeons to customize joint replacement surgeries for every individual patient. It offers better before and during surgery imaging for the knee replacement, robotic arm assistance in knee replacement, assistance to orthopedic surgeons in preparing customized surgery plans for every individual patient. The predetermined knee replacement surgery plan ensures precise placement of the new artificial knee joint and accurate alignment. CMCS Health will provide the best medical travel assistance to foreign patients seeking robotic knee replacement in India. Truly world class hospital infrastructure in India for robotic knee replacement. The best medical tourism provider agency in India, CMCS Health, offers low cost yet highly successful robotic knee replacement in India for international patients. We are associated with the top Joint Commission International and NABH accredited hospitals for safest robotic knee replacement of our foreign patients. Availability of the original imported knee implants like Zimmer and Biomet, Stryker, Johnson and Johnson are being used by the best orthopedic surgeons in India for our foreign patients. The success rates for robotic knee replacement in India are exceptionally high. The best Indian orthopedic surgeons command a success rate of more than 99% for knee joint replacement. Send your queries for robotic knee replacement in India to us. We are CMCS Health, your global healthcare guardian. You can send your queries to our email, that is contact@cmcshealth.com, or WhatsApp us at +91 95820 560 61.